Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set charging limits on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to set charging limits on your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app. Now in settings, just go to battery and here just select charging and here you'll get the charging limit option. You just have to scroll it and whenever you want to set, you just have to set your charging limit. Let's say I'm going to select 95% here. So in this way, you can easily set charging limit, but you have to keep in mind that whenever your charging limit is enabled or you have set at your charging limit, you can't enable the toggle which is optimized battery charging. You are unable to use this feature. So if you want to use this feature, just set it up to 100% and then you can enable this. But if you want to use charging limits, just scroll it and set charging limit and you're gonna not be able to use this feature. So in this way, you can easily set charging limit on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.